ang hirap magtagalog, shit. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I will be trying the TikTok viral makeup, two of them. One is a foundation and the other one is the brow. So actually this is the final result, but you have to keep on watching to see or to know what are the steps that I did, and make sure to watch until the end so you'll know my verdict and my feedback with this hack. And if you are new in this channel, make sure to click the subscribe button to see more video, and yeah, just continue watching. Okay guys, so first is to moisturize. I'm gonna use number 7 day cream moisturizer.
If you wear makeup, watch. Change your whole routine and try this instead. Moisturize first.
Moisturize, done.
Take some translucent powder.
Translucent
Fit me one.
powder.
And I just lightly dab.
Okay, so translucent powder, I'm gonna use Nichido and lightly dab on face. Okay. Lightly lang. Okay.
Dab it all over my face. Not too
Okay,
much.
done.
Then take some setting spray. Could be any setting
Setting
spray.
spray.
I can use the NYX one.
So I'll use my Smashbox setting spray. Any setting spray though, so let's see. Okay. Then wait until it's dry. What's next?
After the setting spray, take a primer and just put your primer. Also,
So after setting spray, when it's dry, use a primer. Any primer, because I don't have any other primer but only this one. Try na ba? Yeah.
setting spray to dry first. Then just put on your foundation and just see what happens and how amazing your fucking makeup is gonna look, and it's gonna stay on 24/7 and it's not gonna crease.
Okay, so after that foundation, and it's gonna like flawless daw and perfect. Okay, let's see. Look. Compare. Oh. Hmm. Wow. In fairness. Yeah. Look at that. Foundation hack, I'm gonna give it 8 out of 10 because I feel like yeah, maganda naman yung finishing niya, and the claim was it will stay longer, like 24 hours I guess. So anyway, so far so good, so that's why I'm giving it an 8 out of 10. So the next hack is the kilay, using a soap to brush it like yung upwards, like what do you call it, yung bushy na kilay. So for that hack they use soap and then like a brush like this, but the soap that they used was pear soap, so but wala akong ganong sabon, So I guess any soap will do. Now, for me, I'm gonna use this soap. Christian Dior. Social. Anyway, char lang. Kasi ito, I only have this soap. Ginagamit. Hindi ko siya actually ginagamit. Because nangihinayang ako. So, ginagawa ko lang siyang pabango sa mga damit. Nilalagay ko siya sa damit. Tapos, kasi ang bango niya. So, ginamit, actually yung kalahati ginamit ko pala para ma-experience ko naman yung Dior na soap. So, anyway, ito yung kalahati na lalagay ko sa mga damit ko. So, this is the one I will use. Yan, binasa ko na siya. And then, I'm gonna use this brush to lather it. And I think to produce some kind of gel or I don't know. Basta ginanon-ganon lang nila. Let's see. Yan. So, I'm excited for this one kasi yung kilay ko, ayan no, puro pababa. Puro pababa. So, dapat i-brush siya pataas. Ay. Masyado pang basa. So, let's do it more. Basa siya parang, parang tubig lang. So, ikuskus pa natin ng ikuskus until magkaroon na siguro siya yung parang gel consistency, I guess. Ooh, yeah. Look. Hala. Oh, diba? Okay. This is nice, ah. This is nice. I like it. Kaya lang may siya. May residue. Amazing. I like this. Oh la la. Ang problema kung bababa kasi palagi talaga itong bumababa. So let's see. Let's wait for some time. Siguro mga 5 minutes. Okay. I will be back. 10 minutes of observation. So, na-realize ko, hindi niya na-hold yung kilay. Kasi, eto palagi itong pababa. Like, pababa, like ganyan siya kababa. So dapat kasi pataas siya, yung parang bushy yung dating na lahat sila nagpag-akyatan ganyan. Hindi nakipag-akyatan kundi ang hirap magtagalog shit. Ibig ko sabihin yung parang pa-upward yung ng kilay, yung direction. So ito pababa pa rin siya. So bumaba siya, hindi siya nagstay. Maybe because I used a different soap or what. But anyway, natuwa naman ako in few seconds. Yeah, that would be all. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time.